everyone, how are you? Today, we will learn about set, an interesting and familiar theory. Now, we will start with some keywords. Set. Element. Belong to. Not belong to. Natural number. Greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Now we will start with a question. Does anybody know what set is?
Well, I think set is a group of something.
Absolutely right. Set is a group of objects which are clearly defined. For example, all the students in this classroom is a set, and I am a person who lists the members in this set.
Teachers, can set contain things and numbers?
Of course, set can contain everything from things to numbers to even ideas as long as we can define them clearly. For example, set of uneven numbers less than 10. We have already known a set is a group of objects which are clearly defined. So, this is one way to represent a set. We can list each element of the set. Does anyone want to make an example?
Teacher, I'm thinking about a set of students whose birthday is in March. Is that right?
Good job, Emerald. This is a set. Can we try write it down on the board? Okay, opal, lapis, florid.
But teachers, if there are many students who have the same name, so how can we define who that student is?
That's a good question, opal. When we represent a set, we can add information to make it clearer. Example, we can write opal table 1, lapis table 3, florid table 2.
Teacher, besides listing, is there any other way to write a set?
How interesting that question is. Another way to represent a set is what we can use some symbols. Example, I can write x. X are even numbers. X is greater than or equal to 2. And x are less than or equal to 10.
Teacher, I think this method is like breaking down a descriptive sentence. But if it is the last set, such as all even numbers, how can we represent it all?
Right, florid. When a set is a very large or infinite, we often use special notation to describe it instead of listing it. For example, x are even numbers.
Teacher, besides these two ways to represent set you just showed, is there any other way to represent set?
We also have a very visual way to represent a set called Venn diagram. Have you ever seen a Venn diagram?
Yes, I see. It is like drawing up some circles intersecting each other.
That's right, Sophia. Let me make an example. I have two sets. Set A, students like football. Set B, students like swimming. So set A we have lapis, florid, kyanite, and set B, opal, sapphire, emerald.
Teacher, I like both soccer and swimming, so I belong to both sets, right?
Yes, lapis. In Venn diagram, an object like you will be at the intersection of the two circles. Now we will have a small exercise. The question is, write a set of the month in a year that have 31 days. Who want to try first?
January. January has 31 days, so I will write down first.
Good job, Emerald. But that is just a small part of the set. Does anyone have another idea?
I remember months that have 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December, so the set will contain these months.
Excellent, Florid. That is full of set. Next, we will do exercise 2. The questions ask us to write the following sets by listing their elements. I will write the sets on the board. A. X belongs to the whole number. X is greater than 9 and less than 15. B. X belongs to whole number. X greater than and equal to 10 and less than 15. And C. X belongs to the natural number. X less than 10. Who want to do the exercise A?
I think set A contains natural numbers, which are greater than 9 and less than 15. So I will write A equal 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
That's right, Rabbit. This is an easy question, right? And please remember that natural numbers do not include negative numbers. How about set B? X belongs to whole numbers. X is greater than or equal to 10 and X less than 15. Does anyone volunteer?
This set contains natural numbers from 10 to 14. So it will be B equal 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then put them all in the curly brackets. So it will be B equal 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then put them all in the curly brackets.
But teacher, why are set A and B similar?
That's a good comment, Knight. Set A and set B are similar, but it write differently, and we have several ways to approach the solution. Now we will do exercise C. C. X belongs to natural numbers. X less than 10. Remember that. Natural numbers is the set of natural numbers and they're not contain number 0. Does anyone want to try?
I can do it. Set C contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Teacher, What happens if the set contains the number 0?
That is a great question, Floret. Since set C only considers natural numbers, the set of positive natural numbers, the number 0 is not included in this set. Well done, class. Through this exercise, you have understood how to list the elements of a set based on conditions. When you list the elements, you have to make sure that the elements are satisfying all the conditions. And second, pay attention to the set of numbers being considered, such as whole number or natural numbers. Class, now we will do the next exercise. The title is There is two sets. Set A, dog, cat, mouse, monkey. Set B, tiger, panther, lion. Identify which element belongs to the set and which elements do not belong to the set. Use symbols to answer. Does anyone volunteer?
Me, I want to do first. Dog is the element of set A, and dog is not the element of set B.
Yeah, kyanite. Very good, kyanite. What about the other elements in set A? Who wants to continue?
Me. Cat belongs to set A. Cat does not belong to set B. Mouse belongs to set A, and mouse does not belong to set B. Monkey belongs to set A, and monkey does not belong to set B.
Teacher, which element do not belong to any set?
All elements in set A do not belong to set B, and vice versa. Thanks for your hard work today. Before we leave, please complete your practice exercises and review the lesson. Remember to do all the exercises, class. Yes. Have a nice day and see you again.